Today in this video, I will share a step-by-step guide how you can hide the cash on delivery option for other countries except of India. So let's begin. For this, I installed the advanced cash on delivery app from the Shopify app store. You can also download it. After installing the app, go here advanced payment rules, then create a new payment rule. Give a title like hide COD outside of India. Then add a new condition. Select the condition, country, operator not in the list, value IN means India. Now add the action, hide payment method name, cash on delivery. After that, active the status and save this. Now only for India the cash on delivery option is available. Outside India, cash on delivery option will be unavailable. So let's check it on the online store. If I choose the country India, you can see the cash on delivery option is available. But if I choose another country, you can see the cash on delivery option is unavailable. So in this way, you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. And that's all today guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.